welcome back to our channel, Where the Hair Sis. Again, my name is Arlah and this is my sister Katrina. Today we're going to talk about how to conceal dark knots on wigs. So we have here Cambridge by Belle Tress in the color Coolest Ash Brown. I'm going to show you the part. There it is. It's already beautifully done. But what you can do to make it less visible is to apply silicone scar tape.
Actually something that you can just purchase off of Amazon. It comes in different lengths, and so it basically a long strip, either sometimes like 5 feet or double that. And so you're gonna measure the part line on your wig, you're gonna cut it, and you're gonna apply it on the underside. So I actually already have it on this particular piece. So what you want to do is lay that strip all the way down straight to where it covers that part or where your parting space is.
Okay, we're gonna show you a wig part that doesn't have the silicone tape on it, so that you can see the difference.
So you can see this is Sienna, the one holding, and you can kind of see through that monofilament part, like you could see my finger moving through it. And this is the one with the silicone scar tape, so it looks actually the part looks more prominent, and it also makes it more realistic, like your actual scalp. Another tool that you can use is any powder, like compact powder or loose powder, one that matches your skin. The one that I use is the L'Oreal True Match. This one I have in the shade N4, but they have plenty of shades, and this one you can get on Amazon, Walmart, Target.
And you don't only use this on wigs with dark knots. You can also use this on other wigs to conceal the knots on the part.
And so you also want to get yourself a dual-sided, this is like an eyebrow brush. It's angled on one side and you have the spoolie on the other side. So what you want to do is you just want to dab. Okay, wait. So what you want to do is you want to dab that angled side on the powder, and you're going to do the same thing on the part. So you're going to dab that, and you can do this while you're wearing it too. Do the same thing. So you're going to go all the way down that part line. It's just going to help blur out some of those knots, and then you're going to use the spoolie side to kind of blend that excess powder in. And usually I take this is one of the things I take with me when I'm, out for more than a few hours, just so I can reapply that. But normally you wouldn't need to.
So that is it for this video. Today I am wearing Belle Tress's Peerless 18 in the color Rootbeer Float Blonde.
And today we're also wearing Belle Tress's Milano in the color Crushed Almond Blonde.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.